There are two things that you need to take into cognizance while trying to grow out your hair. Hi, my name is Joy, aka your favorite hair coach. So, the first one is care for your scalp, and two, moisture. If you can have these two things at the top of your list while trying to grow out your hair, you are good to go and you have possibly done like 50% of the job. Wait, let me cook. So, first off, let's start with the obvious one, care for the scalp. Now your scalp is where your growth starts from, emanates from. Without a healthy scalp, your hair growth is going to be thwarted. The process will be thwarted. The process will be very slow and retarded. But once you have like a very clean scalp, you have like a healthy scalp, then you are rest assured that growth is going to be continuous, right? Now, most of the time, so many people don't like washing their hair. I don't know why. They don't like washing their scalp. I don't know why. They leave it for like 6 months. You see people say, oh, they've had protective style for 6 months, and in the 6 months they were not washing their hair. And once the hairstylist, unravels the hair, there's a lot of build up underneath. There's a lot of dirt and debris underneath. And you keep questioning, oh, why is my hair not growing? I've been doing everything I need to do. Why is it not growing? First off, your hair cannot thrive on a dirty scalp. Your hair cannot grow while the scalp is dirty. It cannot, be healthy and all when you have like dandruff, when you have like itchy scalp and the rest. So you need to take care of your scalp. That's like the basis. You need to ensure that your scalp is clean, your scalp is healthy, your scalp is free from injury and lots more. So let's just say you're done with that. Your scalp is in its good state, right? Moving on, you need to intensify the use of moisture. I see so many people say, oh, they are not seeing visible growth and they've tried everything they can, but they are still not seeing the visible growth and all of that. Now, moisture is not just you spraying water on your hair, water on your scalp and the likes. No, moisture basically entails everything that includes, not excluding, your leave-in conditioner. Now, leave-in conditioner is mostly water-based, and that is why it is called a moisturizer, because it is water-based. So you need to have a very, very good moisturizer, which is your leave-in conditioner. Your oil is not moisturizing, your shea butter is not moisturizing. So for those of you that have been asking one way or the other on TikTok or whatever platform, if shea butter is a moisturizer, it is not. It is a sealant. Sealant meaning after you apply your moisturizer, which is your leave-in conditioner, your water and the likes, you will seal in that moisture with your shea butter, right? So moving on, you need to intensify how you moisturize your hair. Now, if you want to prevent breakage, if you want to see like visible growth, if you want to see your hard work pay off, you need to retain length. And in the process of retaining length, you need to adopt the use of moisture, right? So what you need to do is ensure that your spray bottle with water is your best friend. Ensure that your leave-in conditioner is your best friend, right? Ensure that you spray water on your hair, you apply your leave-in conditioner, and you seal it up with your hair growth oil or any oil of your choice. It could be a carrier oil, it could just be your regular hair oil, right? So that is basically it. When you're taking down your protective style, you need moisture. You need moisture so that you don't break off the lengths that you've had before time, and you would help your hair to be easy to manage and all of that. Like when you're detangling your hair, you need enough moisture to navigate well. You need moisture. Spray water, leave-in conditioner, use a white-toothed comb or brush, and you start detangling from the tip of your hair to the root of your hair. If you keep doing this over time, you will see your visible length retention, because your hair is growing. I keep saying this in virtually all my videos. Your hair is growing. As far as you don't have like any underlying health issue that could cause hair loss or whatnot, your hair is practically growing. Everybody hair grows, but the only difference is some people know the technique at which they can help to keep their hair in check and help to see that their hair is actually thriving, right? All right, so I hope that this will help you, and I hope that these two things will not depart from you. So I will see you guys in my next. Don't forget I have an ebook where I've shared a whole lot more that you need to learn about hair growth, and the link is in the description box. Do where to click it and get yours. I remain your favorite hair coach. I'll see you in my next. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.